Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Nissan Sentra headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb. Park your car on a level surface and turn off the engine. Safety first, so disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the headlight. You'll need to remove 3 10mm bolts that secure the bumper cover to the fender. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This will give you clear access to the headlight assembly. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the old headlight bulb and carefully disconnect it. This step is crucial for safely removing the old bulb. With access gained, replacing the bulb is straightforward. Twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to release it from its housing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the surrounding components. Now, take your new bulb and insert it, twisting clockwise until it's securely seated. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, ensuring a snug fit. This completes the bulb swap. Almost done. Push the fender liner back into its original position and resecure the 3 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and then turn on your car to test the new headlight. Make sure both high and low beams are working correctly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.